Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we are diving into some golden travel tips from the legendary Rick Steves, who believes that retirement is the perfect time to explore the world and find your fountain of youth. But let's be real, as we age, travel can present some unique challenges. So, let's unpack these tips and see how we can make the most of our adventures while staying comfortable and safe. First up, let's talk about the heat. As we get older, our bodies might not handle the heat as well as they used to. Dehydration and heat exhaustion can be real concerns, especially when we are exploring bustling European cities in the summer. Rick Steves suggests traveling off-season to avoid the scorching temperatures and crowded streets. It's a brilliant idea, and it has so many benefits. You'll not only beat the heat but also dodge the crowds and save some cash. It's a win-win situation. Now, here's something that really resonates with me. Steves advises us not to let our budgets dictate our travel dreams. He encourages us to find ways to cut costs while pursuing our travel passions. For example, if you're an art lover, Italy might be your best budget destination, even though it's considered an expensive country. It's all about using your resources, like guidebooks, and doing some planning. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good bargain hunt? Next, let's talk about security. Losing your valuables while traveling can be a nightmare. Steves recommends leaving your valuables in your hotel room safe. It's a simple yet effective measure to keep your belongings secure. He also emphasizes that older travelers are often targeted by thieves, so it's important to take basic precautions. I mean, no one wants to deal with the stress of losing their passport or wallet while on vacation, right? Speaking of stress, travel insurance is a must-have, according to Steves. It provides peace of mind and covers you in case of emergencies, like medical evacuations or unexpected hospital stays. It's an investment that could save you a lot of hassle and money. Plus, with so many different policies available, you can find one that suits your needs and budget. Now, let's talk about packing. Rick Steves is a big advocate for packing light, especially for seniors. He believes it makes travel so much easier and more enjoyable. By packing light, you can move around effortlessly, whether you're at the airport or exploring a new city. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice style or comfort. Steves suggests bringing a lighter and a heavier option for pants and shirts, and doing a mid-journey laundry stop. Genius, right? Note-taking is another valuable tip from Steves. He recommends using a small notebook or your phone's notes app to jot down important information like your hotel room number or metro stop. It's a simple yet effective way to keep track of everything and reduce stress. Plus, with visual notes, you can capture wayfinding markers or store hours, ensuring you don't miss out on anything. When it comes to health, Steves advises taking a full supply of your medications with you. He even suggests asking your doctor for extra medications in case of emergencies. It's a smart move, especially when traveling abroad, where medications might have different names or might not be readily available. Having your medical records and a list of generics can be a lifesaver. Now, let's talk about travel pace. As we age, our bodies might not be as nimble as they once were. Rick Steves suggests taking it easy and opting for bus or boat tours to explore a city's highlights. It's a great way to appreciate the local culture and maximize your time. He also recommends slowing down and people watching, which can be incredibly rewarding. And here's a fun one: senior discounts. Let's face it, we love a good discount, and many businesses offer them to seniors. Steves advises us to always ask about discounts, even if they're not advertised. You might be surprised at the savings you can find. And don't forget to check if your airline or ground transportation offers special rates for seniors. Lastly, let's talk about accessibility. Steves believes that seniors are just as capable of enjoying travel as anyone else, but it's important to plan around your mobility needs. He suggests requesting an electric cart or wheelchair upon booking your flight to reduce stress and the risk of missing a connection. Many airlines and museums offer assistance and accommodations for seniors, so it's worth looking into. So, there you have it, folks. These tips from Rick Steves are a great guide for retirement-age travelers. By following these insights, we can make our travel experiences more enjoyable, comfortable, and, most importantly, memorable. Happy travels, and remember to take care of yourself out there.